Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the foremost web browsers on your Redmi Note 11 Pro. So we're gonna start from the Firefox. If you have this welcoming screen, just click here on the zero mask and that's it. If you have any tab opened before, just click the taskbar icon here, choose zero mask and add a tab. That's it. The next one is Microsoft Edge. In the Microsoft Edge, like before, click on the taskbar icon, switch to the in private, add a tab. The next one is Opera. Taskbar icon here, go to the private and add a tab. And the last one, Google Chrome. Click on the three dot icon or arrow icon and choose the Incognito tab. And now in the Incognito mode, your history, the completed forms, cookies, files from the sites, or even the words on the keyboard will be not saved. That's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.